Hi guys, in today's video I'm gonna show with you how to retrieve, request or reset the radio code for the Honda Accord 2004. I'm gonna show you 3 steps to request a new radio code or reset the radio codes. Step number 1 is get your VIN number ready. Step number 2 is look up for the radio code serial number in the glove box of the vehicle. And the step number 3 is going to the website, enter the VIN number, the current radio code number that you found in the glove box, and send that information to request or reset the new radio code, and it's gonna be available almost immediately for you to enter in and unlock the radio. So without further ado, let's go to the step number 1 to find the VIN number. And by the way, the VIN number is located under the dashboard right there in front of the vehicle. So if you don't have it in the paperwork, you can easily to look up for the VIN number in the vehicle. In step number 1, you're gonna need the VIN number. And if you don't have it handy, you can look it up on the car under the dashboard, and you can get the VIN number right there. Step number 2, you're gonna need to get the radio code serial number. You open up the passenger door and it should located inside the glove box. So you're gonna open up the glove box and you should having the radio code serial number right there. That is the code that you're gonna need to the next step, which is the step number 3. I do have the code right there. After I request the code, I get the code and I put it for reference. Get it handy. So after you having the VIN number in the step number 1, the current radio code in the step number 2, we are ready to go into this website. It's called mygarage.honda.com, and then the form name is radio navigator code. So using this form, you can retrieve the radio or the navigation code for the vehicle. And for mine is Honda Accord 2004. But I believe you can use this form for other Honda vehicle as well. So let's enter the VIN number right there, the zip code, the phone number, and the email address. And then down below you select either radio navigation code or radio code, or even you can select both, which is they are sending you both navigation code and radio code as well. And for the navigation code, you're gonna need the code serial number. They do having a instruction on how you can get or locate the serial number for the navigation code. You can follow this tutorial on how to locate or navigate the serial number. And I'm going to put the link into this tutorial down in the description below as well. And for the radio code, the serial number is a number that you look up in our step number 2 under the glove box of the vehicle. So you're gonna put that value right there. So after you fill in the VIN number, the zip code, the phone number, the email address, and I'm going to select the radio code because I only need this code for the radio. I don't need the navigation code at this moment. For the radio code, I need to enter the radio code serial number, which is a number that we found in the step number 2 under the glove box. With all of the information filled in and ready to go, I am going to click Submit button. And the next screen is a data loading, and you see that immediately the system responds with the information about the radio code, and you actually having more than one radio code. And the radio code is a 5-digit number. You can see right there, I having 4 groups of different radio code so that I can try on my vehicle, Honda Accord 2004. Sometimes the code is not working and you may need to try the different code. I think that's the reason why they give you more than one code right there. So that's it. That is the step for you to retrieve the radio or reset the radio code. And you're gonna need the radio code to unlock the radio on the vehicle after you change the battery or doing something with electric, that it floods out the memory and you need to set up the radio again. Thank you for the watching. I hope this helped you to retrieve or request a radio code for the Honda Accord vehicle. If it helped you out, please like the video and subscribe to my channel to support making the content like this. Thank you so much. Bye.
Nếu các bạn thấy hay, các bạn hãy nhấn nút like, thích và subscribe, đăng ký để ủng hộ eztechclass nha. Cảm ơn các bạn nhiều.